Well, okay, so I remember a good Broad City fart. I'm meeting your parents. It's at like your Shiva, and Bob Balaban picks me up, and we're adding a fart there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Did I change your mind?
I'm talking about professorial, like masterful fart comedy.
That was really thoroughly thought out and intentional.
Yeah, but you're right. A little squeeze that comes into a little
like
but
it's
we
cute.
added it.
It's cute. Yeah,
that's
right.
Maybe if the
cute
farts
fart.
are cute,
and
if
also
they're cute.
Oh, for sure. But I'm also talking about like adding a sound effect, or
we did add the sound effect.
Yeah.